Hello everyone. In this session, I will be discussing something more about MergeSort algorithm. Okay. Yesterday we have solved the MergeSort algorithm, the working we have seen the working process of the MergeSort algorithm using the simplified version of merge algorithm, isn't it? Now, in this session, we will be following the algorithm which is described or which is mentioned in your prescribed textbook, that is Ellis Horowitz textbook, Fundamentals of Computer Algorithms. Okay. So in that textbook, when you open that textbook and go through the page number 145, you will find the topic MergeSort there. Okay, I will be sharing right now. I will be sharing that page with you. Then you will understand what is there. Okay, just a second. Just a second. I will be sharing. There's a page with you, and there you will see the PDF file. Okay, just a second. Okay. I hope this is visible to all of you. Here you can see the merge algorithm is this one. Okay, this. I have to take the tool. Okay, so you see this merge algorithm is there. Low, mid, high, three parameters are there. And in that scenario, yesterday we have we solved the merge algorithm by using the simplified version of that merge. Okay, so I told you that this merge algorithm is the hottest point of merge sort algorithm. Okay, or in the process of merge sorting or in the process of sorting where you are going to apply merge sort for sorting elements, this merge algorithm is said to be the hottest point of that merge sort algorithm. Okay, so in this merge algorithm, what is happening? We are going to combine two sorted subsets and we will make that two sorted subset into one, and this one set will be the sorted list. That is a final solution for our original problem T. So here in this merge algorithm, two processes are going on, combining combination process, and the second one is sorting process. Okay, so it will combine two sorted subsets also into one, and it will be making that two sorted subset into one sorted subset. Okay, so that combination and sorting is happening in this merge algorithm. Hope that is clear to you. Now what happens, here you can see that three parameters are there: low, mid and high. So here three variables are also used: h, I, j. So what is happening? The low index, the low means here this parameter low indicates a lower index of your original array A. That lower index is passed to h. And similarly, one more variable is used I, and in that I also you are passing your lower index. Okay, and there is another variable j where you are passing the value mid plus 1. So mid you have already calculated in the merge sort algorithm. There you are calculating the mid value by the form using the formula low plus high by 2. So you will be getting one mid value, and you have to give the value mid plus 1 to this variable j. Okay, so here in this while loop, there is a while loop here, and you can see if else statement, and then one for loop is also there. Okay, so we will see how you are going to merge two sorted subarrays using auxiliary storage. That means you are going to you are going to get final sorted list by merging two sorted subarrays, and you are using auxiliary storages for merging these two sorted subarrays into one sorted array. Okay, so that is how we will see how the process is going on. So just this, just a second. Now what happens? You see here this process, this merge sort is there. Okay, all of this merge sort is visible to you. Here you can see that this merge sort two parameters are there, low and high is there. Okay, low and high. Two parameters are there, low and high. And this you know how the MergeSort process is going on. First, always you have to check whether lower index is less than higher index. If that is the case, you are going to divide your problem P into sub problems, and for that division you are going to take the mid calculation. You are going to get the mid value, that is by using the formula low plus high by 2. So you will get the mid value. And then there is one function calling is there, MergeSort is there. It has got two parameters, and after completing this calling you have to call another MergeSort, that is it is focusing to the right part of that array. Okay, and after completing this only, that means when first left part is sorted and then second part is sorted, then only you will come to the merge. Okay, final merging is happening. Okay, so when what happens, this is the first calling of this program. Okay, so I hope this algorithm is in your notebook. I will take one example and then I will show you how the process is going on. Today also I will be explaining a small example so that this algorithm will become very convenient for you to understand. Okay, it will become very easy for you to understand. Just give me a second to share the whiteboard with you. Thank you. I'm stopping sharing this one. I'm sharing the whiteboard with you. Okay, so we will be taking the same example that we took yesterday. That means we had one array with us. Okay, this is our original array A, and here in this array we have 6 elements. So we have to form 6 compartments here for our original array. Okay. Now I am giving the array indexes. This is our original array A. Okay, and this is our index value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is our 6th cell. Clear? Now I am going to fill the values. I think yesterday we used these values 9, 6, 0, 5, 2, 1. Clear? So this is the original array and we are going to sort this list of elements using MergeSort. So what happens when you are going to, you have to keep on looking that algorithms, the original merge algorithm and the MergeSort algorithm, which is given in your prescribed textbook PDF. Okay, so just open that algorithm and follow with me. Okay, so when you first you know that this merge algorithm is called inside the MergeSort algorithm. Okay, so which one is the main algorithm here? MergeSort algorithm is the main algorithm. Okay, inside this MergeSort algorithm we are calling the merge algorithm. Clear? Hope that is clear to all of you. Okay, so the first merge, so this is the MS is the abbreviation that I'm going to use for MergeSort. Okay, the first MergeSort that we are going to call is this one with these two parameters, low, high. And what is the lower index here for your problem? This is 1. This is your low value. And what is your high index, higher index of your array? This is 6. So this is the first algorithm you are invoking. Your operating system is invoking this algorithm first. Okay, so that means when you are invoking this algorithm, what happens? You are going inside that you go and open that algorithm where algorithm MergeSort is given. So in that MergeSort, low value is 1 and high value is 6. So inside that curly bracket, your first if condition is there. If low is less than high, isn't it? So here low value is 1, high value is 6. So 1 is less than 6. The condition is true. So you will go inside the if statements. Okay, so what is given in the if statement? You are going to divide the problem into sub-problems. How you are going to divide the problem into sub-problems? By taking the mid value. Okay, so you are in there, you are going to calculate the mid value. So mid equal to low plus high by 2. Here you are putting the values for low and high, that is 1 plus 6 by 2, that is 7 by 2. You will get 3.5 and you have to take the integer part only. So your mid value will be 3. Clear? So after calculating the mid value, what is the next statement present there inside that if? The next statement present inside that if is merge sort. Within bracket, you have two parameters, low, comma, mid. Okay. So that sorting you are going to call. That means when you are going to use this is all statements are there, and inside after the if statement, after calculating the mid value, you are going to call this merge sort low comma mid. So what is mid value? Low is 1 and mid value is 3. Okay, so now this function has been invoked. Now you just forgot about all other statements that is coming in this main merge sort. First you have to complete this function. First you have to complete this function, and you have to come with a solution for this function. Then only you will go to the next function present in that merge sort algorithm. Okay. So you just have to forget all other statements right now. You have to completely give importance to this merge sort calling. Okay, merge sort with these two parameter calling. Clear? So now again what happens? You are going and opening merge sort. You are going and invoking the function merge sort with these two parameters, low and high. And what is the low and high? This is the low value 1 and this is the high value 3. That means what happened here? Yeah, this division occurred when you calculated the mid value. Now you are applying merge sort on this in the left part of this array. Okay, that is what happening in this invocation. Clear? Again, you are going inside the merge sort algorithm, and that if checking is there, 1 is less than 3, yes, the condition is true. So again what happens, you are going into the curly bracket, and what is written in the curly bracket, you are going to calculate the mid value, and you will get the mid value as what? How? What will be the mid value? Low plus high by 2. Here what is low? 1, high is 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So your mid value is 2. So that means you have to divide the list by putting, that means you have to divide the list by from here. This will be the first division. Okay, this is the next division. Now again here, what is the next statement present? Merge sort. And what are the two parameters here? The two parameters will be low, this is 1, and mid value, this is 2. Now forget about all other statements that come here. Okay, close the bracket. Do. This is the main close the bracket. Clear? Now you have to completely focus on this function. First you go and complete this task, come back, and then only you will come to this statement, and then only you will come to this statement. When these three statements are completed, then only this statement will get complete. And when this function get completed, what happens? This will get completed. Then only you have to go to the next statement of your original merge sort 1, 6. And after completion of this function, you will go to the next statement of your merge sort 1, 6. And by that only you will complete the task as a whole. Okay, so now you are going to your computer, your operating system has invoked this function merge sort 1, 2. So again you are going to call merge sort 1, 2. Be with me, give full concentration here, then only you will understand how the process is going on. So now your original merge sort. In the merge sort, you are giving two parameters, 1, 2. Here 1 is your low, 2 is your high value. Okay. So again, you are coming inside the merge sort. Follow that algorithm given in the page number 145 under the topic merge sort. Okay. Keep following that PDF. So merge sort, your operating system has involved merge sort algorithm. So look into that merge sort algorithm. Here the two parameters are low and high. The value of low is 1 and the value of high is 2. So here again you are going to check the if condition. 1 is less than 2. The condition is true. So again what happens? It is going inside the loop, inside that if statement. And here you are going to calculate the mid value. So this mid value. So simple, the mid value calculation is too simple. The formula is low plus high by 2. So here the low value is 1, high value is 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2, that means 3 by 2 is 1.5, and you have to take the integer value. So you are going to take mid value as 1. So what happens? Your list is again divided from here. Okay, this is the next division. Now what happens? Your program, after the calculation of mid value, the next function calling is this one, MergeSort, with two parameters, isn't it? What is the two parameters? Low and mid. And what is the value of low? 1. And what is the value of mid? It is 1. Clear? Now, rest forget about all the other two statements. Okay, all the other two statements. Now you have to complete this function first and come back with the solution. Then only you can continue with this statement and this statement. And when these three functions gets completed, this task gets completed. Okay, this function gets completed. When this function gets completed, that means this gets over. When this gets over, then only you will come to this position, this function. Then only you will come to this function. When these three functions gets completed, your MergeSort 1, 3 gets completed. When MergeSort 1, 3 gets completed, then only you will come to this function calling. Then only this function calling. And as such, you will complete your original problem, MergeSort 1, 6. Okay, so this is how you are doing the recursive process. This is how the recursive process is going on. Okay, so now we have to focus on to this MergeSort 1, 1. So your operating system has invoked the function MergeSort 1, 1. So here the function calls. Keep on looking to the algorithm given on the page number 145 under the topic MergeSort. Open the MergeSort algorithm. Here the two parameters are low and high, and the low value is 1 and the high value is 1. Now you are getting inside the MergeSort, and what is the first thing? You have to check the if condition. Low is less than high. Here both the values are 1. So here what happens? Your if condition becomes false. So that means why it became false? Because you know when 1, 1, that means what? This element is single element. That array contains only single element. So as such, by default, it is a sorted element. Okay, it is already sorted. When your array contains only one element, that means your array is already sorted. Okay, isn't it? So that is what this condition is false. Okay, so this algorithm returns its value to this. So it comes back here. Now this function, the next function calls here, calling happens. MergeSort. What is the next function calling here? So this was low and this was mid value. Okay. So in the MergeSort, keep on looking to the MergeSort algorithm. What is the second function calling? MergeSort mid plus 1, high. And what is the mid plus 1? What is the mid value here? It is 2. And what is the high value here? It is 2. Okay. So that means it is pointing to this element, 2, 2. So here also this element. So this function calling happens. This function calling happens. So again, your operating system invokes MergeSort 2, 2. MergeSort 2, 2. And what happens? The low value is 2, high value is 2. So first if condition, low is less than high. So the condition is false here. Why the condition is false here? Because your array contains only single element. That single element is already sorted. No need of applying any sorting algorithm there. So it is already completed its task. This function already completed its task. So it returns its value here. Now after the two MergeSort, what is the next function calling in the MergeSort algorithm? Keep on looking onto the MergeSort algorithm given in your prescribed PDF. Okay, so MergeSort, and the third function is merge, and this merge algorithm has got three arguments. What is that? Low, mid, high. And what is low value here? Here it is 1. What is the mid value here? Here it is 1. And what is the high value here? Here it is 2. So three parameters are there. Okay, so that means individually, these two elements are sorted. This 9 is already sorted, and these two are two separated sorted subarrays. Okay, this division is there. So this is separated subarrays, sorted subarrays. Now what is the purpose of your merge algorithm? The purpose of your merge algorithm is to merge these two sorted subarrays and make it a sorted array. Okay, so now you have to merge these two subarrays into one array, and that array will contain sorted elements. Clear? That is the purpose of merge algorithm. Now go to the page number. Now go to the page number where your merge algorithm is given. Okay, where your merge algorithm is given. That is page number 147. So here the low value is 1. So you can see in the page number 147, the algorithm merge is given. Merge, three arguments are parameters are there: low, mid, and high. So low value is 1, mid value is 1, high value is 2 here. Now come to the inside the merge. What is the first statement? The statement present in the seventh line, the seventh statement: h equal to low, I equal to low, j equals to mid plus 1. Okay, so let me do that. So I'm clearing this thing. Okay, just a second. Okay, so just a second. I want to save this line. Okay, now what happens? I have saved this one and save this PDF. Okay, now what happens? You see in that MergeSort algorithm, what happens? In the merge algorithm, the first one is. I hope this is. I will be writing here. Okay, you please follow. Here. So H variable is used, and that is low. Okay, and what is the low value here? The low value is 1. This is our 1. Low value is 1. Okay, I is there, another variable is used, and that is also low. Okay, and that is 1. And we have another variable j, and the value of j is mid plus 1. And what is mid value here? It is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? So three variables are used, and Hij. So H is low, that is 1. I is low, that is 1. J is mid plus 1, so your J is 2. Now in the statement 8, you will see while loop is there. While H is less than or equal to mid and J is less than or equal to high. When these two conditions got true, then only you will enter into the while loop. Okay, so let's see what happens in this while loop. So what is your H value here? The H value is 1. And what is your mid value? It is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 1. The condition is true. Now let's check the second condition. Your J value is 2 and your high value is 2. So J is less than or equal to 2. That is 2 is less than or equal to 2. Yes, the condition is true. So both the conditions are true. Here the AND operator is used. So when both the conditions are true, then only you can enter into the while loop. Okay, so here both the conditions are true, so you are entering into the while loop. So inside the while loop, look into the statement 10. What is given? One if statement is there. A of H is less than or equal to A of J. It is checking whether A of H is less than or equal to A of J. So what is the H value here? It is the lower index, that is 1. And what is the J value here? It is mid plus 1, that is 2. So now you have to focus into your array A, and you have to check whether your element present in array index 1 is less than or equal to the element present in your array index 2. So just have a look into the, what is your, in the array index 1, the element present is 9. And in the array index 2, the element present is 6. So is the condition true? 9 is less than or equal to 6. Is the condition true? No, the condition is not true. So what happens? Else part, you have to go into the else part. If the condition is true, then you have to go inside the if statement. Otherwise, you have to go to the else part. And what is given in the else part? B of I equal to A of J. Here, this B is an auxiliary global array. Okay, this B array is an auxiliary global array. And this is a temporary array used, okay, for the sorting purpose. So this inside, so inside the B of I is your lower index. Okay, you have to pass the lower value. So just have it's a nice, beautiful algorithm. Okay, you just think this is your B algorithm. I'll be taking another color. Okay, this is your B algorithm. This is your B algorithm. Clear? And here also the same number of cells will be there. Okay, and here in the B's 1th position, that is in the cell number 1, you have to, that is B of I. So I value is 1 right now, and here 4, and here 5, and here 6. Okay, so in the B of, so what happens, your if condition became false. This was the if condition now, that is your A of H is less than or equal to A of J. The condition is false. So what happened, you have to go to the else part, and in the else part what was written, in the else part it is given B of I equal to A of J. That means you have to copy the element present in the A of J. J value is 2 here, right? This one. Okay, so you have to copy 6 from A and place it in B of I. Okay, so this 6 comes here. Okay, and what you did the next, in else part, what is written, J equal to J plus 1. That means you have to increment the value of J. Why you are incrementing the value of J? Because you have taken the element from that section, from that pointer, from the index from where you have your J value is pointing. Okay, so whenever you are taking element from any cell, you have to increment that pointer variable. So that is what you are doing here. So you have incremented your J. So now your J value becomes 3. Okay, and after coming out the else part, look into the 18th statement. It is I equals to I plus 1. Now your I becomes 2. Clear? Now while loop again, so one iteration is over. So for getting into the second iteration, again you have to check the condition. Now what is the condition here? H is your 1 and your mid is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to mid value, and the condition is true. The second condition, look into the second condition. Your J is right now 3. Okay, and 3 is less than or equal to 2. The condition is false. So when the any of the condition becomes false, your while loop, you cannot enter into the while loop. You can enter into the while loop only when two conditions present in the statement 8 becomes true. So since one condition becomes false here, so you cannot enter into the while loop. Now you are exiting from the while loop and you will come directly to the statement 20. Okay, so in the statement 20, what is given? In the statement 20, it is given. In the statement 20, what is given? If statement is there, H greater than mid. You have to check whether H is greater than mid. And your H is your low value, that is 1. And your mid value is 1. So H1 greater than 1. Is it true? No. 1 greater than 1. It is not true. So you are not going into the if. Okay. So you are going into the else part. Clear? So there you are going to have one for loop. In the else part, you are having one for loop. And what is that? K equals to, that is statement 26. K equals to H to mid. So 1, H is your 1 and mid is 1. So 1 to 1. Okay. So B of 1 equals to A of 1. Okay. So what is written in A of 1? What is written in A of 1? You see, A of 1, you are having 9 here. So you have to take this 9 and place it here. Okay. B of 1, B of I. Okay, so that is what happens here. Clear? So now you have to increment the I value. I is equals to I plus 1. Now your I becomes 2. Clear? So after doing, so this for loop will work only for once. Okay, and now exiting from this for loop, you will come to directly to your 30th statement, statement 30. And what is happening in the 30th statement? For k equals to low to high, do A of k equals to B of k. Now what happens? You see what is happening in the BL array. These two elements are sorted, 6, 9. Now in the last 30, statement number 30, you are copying these two elements to this your original array A. Okay, so that is what happens in the statement 30. So low is your 1, high is your 2. So you are taking A of 2 equals to A of 1 equals to B of 1. First, the value of K will be 1. So A of 1 equals to B of 1. So this K pointer is pointing to your array A always. So K of 1. A of K, in A of K, you have to put B of K. And what is this K value right now? It is 1. Okay. So that means A of, in A of 1, you have to put B of 1. That means the 6 is overwritten here. Now your 6 comes here. Loop iterated. Now A of 2 equal to B of 2. That means you have to copy 9 and place it here, overwrite here. So this way this merging happens. Okay. I will write down all that clearly. Now this merging happens like this. Now these two array becomes 1 and your elements are right like this. Okay. Your elements will be 6 and 9 after the merge operation. You see. So these two are now, they were two sorted subarrays, different separated sorted subarrays. Now they become one sorted array. Okay, 6, 9. So this way you have completed MergeSort 1, 2. This way you have completed MergeSort 1, 2. Okay, and after completing this MergeSort 1, 2, which is the next function called here? MergeSort mid plus 1, high. And what is mid value? 2 and 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3. So that means this is pointing to the single element. So it is already sorted. Okay. So it will go and come back and this element is already sorted. Now the third function invoking this will be merge with 3 parameters. Low, here 1, mid value is 2, and the high value is 3 here. 1, 3. That means you are going to focus into these two sorted arrays. This is one sorted array and this is another sorted array. Now you have to merge these two sorted arrays and make it one. So after the invocation of this merge, your array will look like this. Your array will be looking like this. Okay. Your array will look like this. Give me a second. Now I will put here 0, 6, 9. And this was the division already there. This was the first division we did. Okay, so your first left half is sorted now. That means MergeSort 1, 3, when it gets over, that means your left portion is over right now. Now, so it will come this, after completing this sorting, you will come to this sorting, MergeSort 1, 3. And now the next function you have to invoke is MergeSort 4, 6. That means the left right subarray. So just you go through and apply the same formula and solve the rest of this process. Okay. And then the third invocation will be merge the whole set. That is 1, 3, 6. Clear? So when this will complete its process, then only you will get the whole list as sorted. Okay, whole list as sorted. So this is how the algorithm works. So please open your algorithm which is given in the PDF. Okay, and keep on looking into that algorithm while viewing and watching this video, and solve this process with me. Okay, and if you still feel any doubt, you just ask me. Okay, don't keep your doubt in yourself, because it will be too difficult for you to understand the concept. If you are not clearing your doubt the moment itself, it will be too difficult for you to understand other concepts that you have to clear or you have to understand later in the algorithm portions. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will take small examples in the next sessions also, and I have to tell more about MergeSort. I will be explaining that in the next sessions. So thank you for watching this video. Pause the video a number of times and try to understand the concept. Thank you. When you work out the algorithm by your own, then only you will learn the algorithm. You don't have to by heart the algorithm. Okay. At least once try to work out the algorithm by your own. Then you will memorize that algorithm by yourself without by hurting. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.